They say imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. Well, we're not exactly sure if this famous luxury brand agrees. But that doesn't keep its fans from paying homage to them every day. Welcome to Schmancy, the place where we talk all things rich, exclusive, and fancy schmancy. Today's topic is Louis Vuitton, a brand that millions upon millions all over the world are obsessed with. However, we realize that some will take their obsession to a whole other level, by turning anything they can get their hands on into a Louis Vuitton. We've scoured the internet and have found countless Louis Vuitton hacks that some very dedicated Louis fans have had the pleasure of bringing to life. Though the majority of these custom-made items are not the real deal, some will take the prize for creativity, others will stop you dead in your tracks, while the rest are simply guaranteed to have you scratching your head. So without further ado, here are the 50 most craziest things inspired by Louis Vuitton. Number 1. The Louis Vuitton steering wheel. Number 2. Louis Vuitton lamps. Number 3. Louis Vuitton sheets. Number 4. Louis Vuitton nails. Number 5. The Louis Vuitton toilet with gold interior. Number 6. To go with that, there's the Louis Vuitton shower curtain. And in case you don't have the actual toilet, you can always make up for that with the matching bath accessories. Number 7. There are always these type of toilet seats too. And this one too. Number 8. There's also the Louis Vuitton cooler. Number 9. How about this lovely Louis Vuitton tattoo to adorn your arm? Number 10. Then we have Louis Vuitton garbage bags. Number 11. And matching LV monogrammed trash cans. These were inspired by Kim Kardashian herself. Number 12. We also found Louis Vuitton playing cards. Number 13. Louis Vuitton hair. Number 14. Louis Vuitton eye makeup. Number 15. Louis Vuitton car seat covers. Number 16. Louis Vuitton paper plates. Number 17. Even actual dishes. Number 18. An LV clock. Number 19. A Louis Vuitton house, the ultimate in luxury housing. Number 20. Louis Vuitton cars. Number 21. The limited edition Louis Vuitton boxing kit. This one's authentic. And it comes with a punching bag, boxing gloves, and a mat among other things, all courtesy of Karl Lagerfeld. Number 22. How about some Louis Vuitton animals, such as these pigs? Number 23. There's the Louis Vuitton wheelchair. Number 24. The ceramic coffee mug. Number 25. The travel coffee mug. Number 26. Some go as far as even signature branding their food. Did you know that there are Louis Vuitton cookies out there? Number 27. Louis Vuitton cakes. Number 28. Louis Vuitton burgers. Number 29. Louis Vuitton pancakes. Number 30. Louis Vuitton toast. Number 31. Louis Vuitton chocolates. Number 32. Louis Vuitton cupcakes. Number 33. Louis Vuitton bananas. Number 34. And what better way to display your Louis V bananas than in a Louis Vuitton African bowl? Number 35. And for those who want perfectly monogrammed waffles, there's even the Louis Vuitton waffle iron out there. Number 36. There are several Louis Vuitton motorcycles. Number 37. And Louis V Vespers too. Number 38. The Louis Vuitton stroller. Number 39. Party decorations. Number 40. Louis Vuitton poop. Number 41. LV monogrammed toothpaste and toothbrush. Number 42. Louis Vuitton toilet paper, as a finishing touch to the rest of your bathroom decor. Number 43. You can protect your car with the Louis Vuitton car cover. Number 44. Who knew there were even designer handguns out there? Number 45. As well as Louis V rifles. Number 46. And matching LV holsters to go with them. Number 47. Hopefully with the Louis airplane, everyone would be flying first class. Number 48. You can keep your neighbors up with the Louis Vuitton drum set. Number 49. Let's just hope they don't come knocking on your Louis Vuitton door. And last, for the ultimate send-off, you can always die in style when you can choose from an array of the best Louis Vuitton coffins your money can buy. And that's it for the 50 craziest things inspired by Louis Vuitton. So, which one of these did you like the most? Have you any Louis V creations of your own that you're proud of? Anyway, if there's anything else you would like to say about this topic, feel free to share it with us in the comments below. Furthermore, if you got any value out of this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you never miss out on another video. With that said, we'd like to thank you for watching and we'll see each other next time.